Often called liquid gold, argan oil is an organic product extracted from the kernels of the argan tree, which is native to Morocco. It is extremely rich in beneficial nutrients including fatty acids and vitamin E. Its properties make it particularly beneficial for the hair and skin, which makes it a popular cosmetic choice for many celebrities. It's not just for the rich and famous, though. Anyone can reap the argan oil benefits for their body. Here are some of its most common benefits for hair and skin. Benefits number 1. Skin moisturizer. Argan oil is most commonly used as a skin moisturizer to hydrate and soften skin. With its high vitamin E and fatty acid content, argan oil is the ideal product to give skin a natural boost. It absorbs easily and is non-greasy and non-irritating, which makes it a great natural moisturizer. It is easy to use all over the body, including the face and neck. Simply smooth a few drops into your skin using gentle rubbing motions, as you would any face and body lotion. Benefits number 2. Hair conditioner. Argan oil is proven to make hair softer, silkier and shinier. It is the ideal hair conditioner, and it can even help to treat split ends and tame frizzy hair. Using argan oil to condition your hair is extremely easy. It comes in several types of applications and products and has so many ways to use it for different amazing results. Benefits number 3. Sleek and shine styling. Due to its ability to tame frizz and give hair shine, argan oil is also commonly used as a styling agent. It makes hair more manageable and adds a healthy, attractive shine to any hairstyle. This is an ideal step to add to your daily routine after blow drying. Rub a few drops of argan oil over your palms and then comb your fingers through your hair to apply. Benefits number 4. Anti-aging. Not only does argan oil act as an effective moisturizer, it can also give skin a youthful glow and reduce the visibility of wrinkles. Its antioxidant effect makes argan oil the ideal anti-aging product. It restores elasticity and leaves skin feeling plumper and softer. The best way to apply argan oil for the most prominent anti-aging effects is to massage a few drops into your face and neck before bed. Benefits number 5. Dry skin conditions. People suffering from dry skin or conditions such as eczema which can leave skin raw, flaky and itchy will benefit immensely from argan oil. The vitamin E and fatty acids in argan oil are excellent for repairing damaged skin and providing it with nutrients which will prevent further dryness and irritation. Argan oil also contains ingredients which soothe skin. Applying a small amount of oil directly to afflicted skin and massaging in gently can provide relief and encourage healing. Benefits number 6. Healing acne. Where many oils and moisturizers can exacerbate skin conditions such as acne, argan oil actually soothes afflicted skin and promotes healing. Acne is often the result of oily skin. Since argan oil is non-greasy, it helps to balance skin by providing natural moisture. Argan oil also contains antioxidants which help to heal damaged skin cells and reduce inflammation. Applying a few drops of argan oil to skin afflicted by acne after cleansing and patting dry ensures that essential moisture and nutrients are introduced to clean, dry skin. Rubbing in gently and repeating twice daily can help clear up mild acne as well as balancing oily or dry skin. Benefits number 7. Brighten skin and fade dark spots. If you suffer from hyperpigmentation, or brown spots on the skin caused by hormones, aging, or years of sun exposure, argan oil may help improve and brighten your skin tone. Argan oil contains tocopherols that can inhibit the production of excess pigment from melasma or scars. Benefits number 8. Encourage hair growth. Because of the phenols found in argan oil, which are very stimulating to the scalp, it can help to promote new hair growth. The best way to reap these benefits is in tandem with a hair loss treatment. Massaging the oil into your scalp for several minutes a day to stimulate blood flow and open the pores. Benefits number 9. Foot, hand and nail treatment. Argan oil's softening properties are ideal for brittle nails, dry hands and cracked, hard skin on feet. It both moisturizes and softens skin, leaving hands and feet supple and soft and nails strong and healthy. Try massaging a few drops of argan oil into cuticles, hands and feet before bed each night. Benefits number 10. Lip moisturizer. Especially in cold or dry weather, lips can easily become sore, dry and cracked. Argan oil is the ideal product to ensure lips stay plump, soft and supple. Rub a drop or two into dry lips as a balm, but be sure to wipe off any excess. All of this, in just one bottle. The best thing about argan oil is that it can be safely used in its pure form. And doesn't need to be bought as an ingredient in lotions, conditioners and moisturizers. One bottle of argan oil is extremely versatile and can be used for all these benefits. This miracle oil will change the way you live your life. Until next time, happy healing. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.